please close your eyes for a second? Can you smell it? The smell of fried chicken, which is warm, crispy, and makes your mouth water. Most people never ask this question. Can Kentucky Fried Chicken make millions of pieces of crispy fried chicken every day and keep the flavor the same no matter where you are in the world? Today we are going to visit the KFC facility, not the restaurant in question, not at the counter, but when you place your order. But there's a secret world behind it all, where raw chicken is one of the most popular foods in the world. You might think that this process is longer, faster, and more fun than you think. Let's start at the very beginning. Every chicken product from KFC is made with real, fresh chicken. There are no easy ways out. There is no fake flesh. Because the job never ends, the chicken is delivered to big processing plants at odd hours in the morning and late at night. A regular stream of trucks brings poultry that has been raised in line with strict health rules. Before anything else happens, safety makes itself known. Checks are done on the temperatures. A check is done to see if it is clean. Every delivery is checked. Why? It's impossible to miss even the smallest mistake when you're in charge of feeding millions of people. Everything within the factory looks calm, clean, and well organized. All employees must wear protective clothing from head to toe. Regularly cleaning and sanitizing machines is done. There's no smell of fast food here. It smells a little like authority. The next step is to choose. The chicken is sorted by size and type. With drumsticks, you utilize drumsticks. Wings with wings on them. Having breasts with breasts. This stage could seem boring, but in actuality, it is quite important. Just think about how hard it would be to cook a juicy breast and a soft wing at the same time. One would catch fire. This other one would not be cooked. Everything is now carefully arranged so that all the parts would cook evenly later on. After sorting, the bird is washed gently and then checked again. It is done right away when any part does not meet the criteria. Only the best chicken is permitted to move forward. The trip has now begun in earnest. The chicken moves slowly on conveyor belts, making it look like it's floating through the plant. Don't rush here, please. The speed is under control. Timing is really crucial. Now we are at one of the most important steps in the whole procedure: the spices. People know that KFC is famous for its taste. But flavor isn't magic. This is because of how precise it is. In huge machines, the seasoning is carefully metered out and then mixed together. Because every gram matters. Too much of it makes the taste too strong. It will feel empty if there isn't enough. To make sure the seasoning is evenly spread over the chicken, it is gently stirred with the flesh. Not only the outside, but also the inside of the flesh. Do you know what it's like to bite into chicken that has a tasty outside but a bland inside? That doesn't happen here. This step takes some time on purpose. Everything will be ruined if you hurry. First, the chicken is seasoned. Then, everyone waits for the following stage, which is what everyone is waiting for the coat. This is the recipe that makes KFC's chicken so crunchy. First, the chicken is given a light coat of wetness to make sure the coating sticks. After that, it gets breaded with flour. But this isn't just a short dip. The chicken gets a homogeneous coating, and then it is gently shaken to get rid of any extra flour. Why do you need to get rid of extra flour? Frying can make too much coating come off, which is why. Machines put the coating on the chicken, which makes it rough and craggy, something we all know. Take a moment to think about that crunch. You make that sound as you bite in. An intentional crunch was meant. The bird is allowed to rest for a little time after being coated. The breading might stick to the meat easier during this time of rest. If this step is neglected, the coating could entirely break down in the fryer. The heat is suddenly here. The fryers that KFC has on hand are huge. These are not the kinds of fryers you usually find in kitchens. They are machines that are full of oil and kept at the right temperatures. It's not too hot. It's a little too cold. Sensors keep an eye on the oil's temperature all the time. One small change could change thousands of pieces. As the chicken cooks, it is slowly and carefully lowered into the oil. No splashing will happen. There is no chaos.
The cooking process itself is a marvel of engineering and timing. Each fryer is monitored with exacting precision to ensure that every single piece reaches the perfect golden brown hue. While the chicken fries, automated arms gently rotate it to allow the oil to coat each surface evenly. This ensures the crunchiness KFC is famous for, without overcooking the meat inside. Even the steam released during frying is managed to maintain the right texture, preventing the coating from becoming soggy. Every drumstick, wing, and breast has a specific frying time, and every second is calculated to guarantee the ideal juiciness inside. Staff constantly monitor oil quality, filtering it to remove any particles that could alter flavor or texture. Beyond the mechanics, there is an artistry involved. The machines mimic the careful hand movements a chef would make to season, coat, and fry by hand. The process integrates food science with traditional cooking intuition, creating a standardized taste no matter which country the chicken travels to. Even minor deviations in oil temperature, humidity, or timing can affect the flavor, so continuous adjustments and calibrations are made. Each fryer's cycle is synchronized with conveyor systems, seasoning machines, and resting racks to keep a constant flow of perfectly cooked chicken. In addition, sensors and digital controls collect data in real time, allowing operators to spot inefficiencies or inconsistencies before they become noticeable to customers. Maintenance teams regularly inspect equipment to ensure reliability during peak hours. Training programs reinforce precise procedures, ensuring that human oversight matches machine accuracy. Quality checks continue even after frying, with visual inspections and temperature tests confirming each batch meets strict standards. The result is a harmonious balance of crispy exterior and succulent interior, achieved not by luck but through methodical, almost scientific orchestration. This meticulous approach ensures that millions of people enjoy a consistent KFC experience daily, making every bite predictably satisfying, a testament to precision in large-scale food production.
The scientific procedure starts right away when the bird is put in the oil. The water inside the bird turns into steam and pushes out. Because of the tiny bubbles that occur, the coating gets crispier and lighter. Also, the meat within stays juicy and soft. Isn't it amazing that something that tastes so nice is actually the outcome of science? The size of the piece determines how long it takes to fry each one. Not a single second is wasted. At that same time, the machines take the chicken out of the oil and put it on a dish. The chicken is now a golden brown color. The outside is crispy. It is juicy on the inside. The job is still not done, though. One more time, every batch is looked at. The color. There is a feeling. How warm or cold something is. Anything that isn't in order stops it from moving forward. You can't take shortcuts here. Now the process is starting to split up. Some chicken is supplied to restaurants in the vicinity while it is still fresh. Another kind of chicken is made ready for long-distance travel. This chicken cools down quite quickly thanks to unique freezing technology. These temperatures are not normal for this time of year. It goes really fast. This is all set, and it keeps the taste and texture. Have you ever wondered why frozen chicken from KFC still tastes great when it's cooked right? This is the cause. After it has been frozen, the chicken is carefully wrapped. There is a label on every package. Every piece of cargo is watched over. The chicken will go on a trip that will take it to different cities, countries, and continents. All of the routes go to the same place, the KFC in your area. This is when the great part comes in. Wherever you decide to place your order, no matter what country you're in, that first bite feels similar. That is not lucky at all. That's a system. This is the training. They follow these strict rules every single day. A lot of people are working behind the scenes to make this happen. Engineers in charge of running machines, checking the quality of the product. Food safety experts are paying close attention to every little thing. It's not only a place to eat fast food, it is what it is, precision food. It is almost impossible to understand how big the scale is. There are millions of pieces of chicken, all the time, every so often, not even 1 second. They all move together like one big machine. But after everything is said and done, I feel close to you. So, fried chicken is more than simply a meal. It gives me comfort. Time to have a party. The problem is being hungry at night. It's time to eat with the family. It's only memories. Have you ever thought about how fried chicken can make you feel? How does it show up during birthday parties, road vacations, and quiet nights at home? This makes the procedure critical. Taking care with every crispy bite. There is control behind every quick order. There is hard work behind every taste that is familiar. The next time you open the package, you will see that. The sound of the paper crinkling. Also, give it a smell. Don't forget this. That piece of chicken had a long trip to get there. Using different machines. The way to do it is with heat and hands that are meant to make it beautiful. For only one moment, your mouthful. So, please let me ask you one last thing. Will the taste of your next meal be different? You now know what it took to be successful. And isn't it hard to believe? How could something so simple? It is conceivable to make on such a large scale. Do you still think that you were made just for you, though? This is what really happens at the KFC facility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.